Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share with you the Ice Pops full collection. So you probably already watched the first video. That's where I shared with you the cool Ice Pops that is our stamp club, and the dies that match, which is our die hard club. But wait, there is more because I can never stop. Here we go. Boom. Are you ready? We needed more Ice Pops. So if you can see these, remember we have those as a stamp club. Top one is the stamp club. The bottom is the add-on. So we added that fun little 4th of July pop, the watermelon, the smaller version, and all of those fun words. What do we have? We have chill out and celebrate. You melt my heart. Summer is my favorite season. Cool friends like you are the best. Now, yes, of course, there are dies that match, right? Because that is the rule. Then we have some awesome stamps that are perfect puns, fun things like that. Let's look at these. Chill out. I love this font. I had so much fun with this font. Chill out. You give me brain freeze in a good way. You're simply refreshing. Ice to see you. Get it? Nice to see you. Ice to see you. Cool. You're unbelievable. You're the coolest. 2 small versions of the stamps. Yay! I love those. Now, moving on, we have, oh my goodness gracious. You guys, let me just tell you, if you do not get these stencils, when they are sold out, you will cry. You will cry because we don't buy more stencils. So once they're gone forever. And let me just tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're looking at these and saying, Stephanie, how did you do so many stencils just for those couple little pieces, right? Well, let me tell you, patterns. We needed patterns. Well, I needed patterns, so I made them. I don't know about you, but I needed patterns. So here we go. You can see all of those awesome patterns. That's number 1. And remember, I always have the factory etch where you're going to lay it, so you'll know exactly how to line it up. More. But wait, there's more, my loves. More and more. I couldn't stop with the patterns because then I was like, oh, I want this pattern. Oh, I want this pattern. So there are 4. But again, once they're gone, they're gone. Don't email us and say, I missed it. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Get it now. Get it now. Okay. And the first 24 hours, flash sale. Club members, you know you get your discount. Here we go. Mini Slimline. I had so much fun with this one. It is a mini Slimline. Look at what I did here. We have the fun hello. We have the summer ice pops, which the summer ice pops, by the way, are a separate die. So you could take that and do something else with it. And the letters summer are optional. So you can use those or not. Let's jump in and look at all the samples because you're going to fall in love. First of all, I have to show you this cutie pie. Look at how stinking adorable that is. Is that just like the cutest you've ever seen? Of course, it folds flat for mailing. This is our horizontal stage card, A2 in size. Look at how cute that is. Can you imagine having a ice cream party or something like that and sending these out as invitations, writing your information on the back? So adorable. Here's one, chill out. Look at that. I love those hearts all the way around the edges. It just looks so summery. I'm so excited for summer. I'm so excited. Here we go. I'm just thinking pool days, beach. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Ice to see you. You're a real treat. Love it. Ooh, what about this one? Cool. Cool. We're on a mini Slimline. I love it. Decal edge. Look at all those fun little citrus pieces on there. Look at this. You're the coolest. Isn't that beautiful? You're the coolest. Couple pieces of pattern paper and die cuts and you're done, right? So simple. Look at this one. Chill out. That is on the fun groovy background die. I love that groovy background die. Ooh, here's another one. This is, and I need to show you this. I'm going to show you this right now. Ooh, how cute is this? Who did this? Yvette did this. This is on a half gatefold. Right? Our gatefold normally goes like that and you do 2. This is on a half gatefold. So cute. But I want to show you, this is a good example. Here we have it die cut right on the inside dies, right? This is die cut on the inside dies. This one is die cut using the shadow dies. So you get both sets of dies. You get the shadow dies and the inside dies to die cut it either way. So it's like 2 for the price of 1. Here's another cute one, die cut on the edge, which is so fun. I should call them on the edge, huh? Okay, let's look at these. Hello, summer. Hello, summer. I'm so excited you're here. Look at this one. Hello, summer. Isn't that cute? Now, You could also have it say, hello friend. It could say anything you want. You could use your stickers, you could use dies, whatever you want. That could say hello friend. Or, this is so adorable, you could make it a cute little, whoops, it's got a little stuck. You could make a cute little sign. Look at that, hello summer. I'm telling you, I think I might hang this on my computer. Now, oh, look at this cute little, remember that crayon tag that I called a crayon tag, which was the silliest thing I've ever done, because it's not a crayon tag, it's an anything tag. But look at this, ready? Open it up, it has a little Velcro closing it, and there's a spot to put a gift card. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Ooh, a gift card for ice cream. That sounds great. Of course, also, here is this fun, perfect for 4th of July. Look how cute that is with all the stars and all the, oh, so awesome. Now, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website, or until sold out, they are on flash sale. I try to order enough to make sure we don't sell out, but sometimes we really do sell out because something is so incredibly popular. Also, club members, don't forget to check out the bundle. That's even an extra discount. I'm all about giving you the best discounts I possibly can. It's always the first times they're on our website though. I'm not going to have you buy something at full price and then 2 weeks later put it on sale. That is like the worst. I do not like when people do that. So the first time it's on our website, that's the best absolute sale, your price you're ever going to get. Grab it when it's on flash sale. Regular days, club members, you're getting 15 to 20% off. So technically our website is a sale every single day for our club members. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.